Welcome to another video of Navisworks Managed Lessons Clash Detection Workflow. It is a brief video and we are going to explore how to create clash tests using Codigem plugin. However, you've got two options. You can create these tests manually using Clash Detective panel inside the Navisworks, or you can use Clash Detection Matrix plugin Codigem, and it's going to create all the tests for you in a second. So let's explore it. All right, let me close these panels because we don't need them for now. And let's activate Clash Detective panel. As you can see, everything is grayed out. That's because we have not actually yet created any tests. If you want to, you can go here and add tests and create them manually. So you have to rename the tests and write like arc01 underscore walls versus, let's say, electrical 01 underscore, let's go with electrical equipments. So as you can see, it is really tedious to actually carry on all the tests manually. What we are going to do is to use Codigem plugin to create all the tests based on our search sets. So let's delete this one here, and let's pin it over here, and we're going to activate Codigem Clash Matrix. All right, in this panel you've got two options to create your test within this section here. All right, the very first one is to create with a CSV file. So if I go and select define in sets matrix, some options are grayed out here, right? So let's do this for some selected sets here. I'm gonna as a prefix I'm gonna write APF underscore, and I'm gonna make some space here to make our sets clash test much more clear. So if I go and like select this one here, all right, and hit export matrix for selected sets, and let's choose our folder. All right, and let's open it. Unfortunately, you've got some you have to make some changes here, like you have to find all the dashes and replace it with the tolerance that you want to incorporate in your test as a clash detection. I'm going to select 20 millimeter here. This tolerance, it depends on the phase of your project and the time that you are doing your clash detection. This can be such a data defined in your BIM execution plan. And I'm going to replace all. Okay, and and save it. That's okay. Let me close this one and rewrite over this file. All right. Now if I open my Codigem plugin and load sets matrix, and let's select this one here and select open. There are some OK panels that you have to accept to create all your clash tests. Okay, now within this one, if you hit create clash tests, as you can see, all your tests are created. But I'm not really convinced with this method here, because we are missing some information like the type of the clash. All right, let me go back. First of all, delete all the tests here that we created and clear all this here. All right, now if I go and without exporting it as a CSV file, we can make all the changes here, like we can choose our type of clash and make it like 20 millimeter. And if I select all the way down my search sets and hit review or refresh, as you can see, all the tests are created within the type actually. Now if I go and hit create clash tests, all right, as you can see, let me close the plugin, and here I have created all the tests available based on my search sets. Now you may make some changes in your tests, because there are some actually tests that you don't want to basically carry on. For example, walls via stores, I'm not really convinced that you want to do this one here, because it doesn't make sense. Or stairs, walls, maybe this one you may maintain. But however, you've got the logic, and this is pretty much for this lesson. Bye for now, and see you in the next video.